Umphathiswa wokhuseleko loluntu eRhawutini uSizakele Nkosi-Malobane udibanise abafundi baseSoweto kwizikolo ezahlukeneyo watyelela amabhinqa kwiziko lobulungisa eGoli. Olu tyelelo luyinxalenye yephulo lesebe ukukhuthaza abafundi ukuba bahlalele kude kulwaphulo-mthetho, kananjalo likwakhuthaza amabanjwa ukubanika ithemba lekamva eliqaqambileyo.
Yes, a woman. I get into an argument with a man. He slaps me. I feel that pain. As I am crying, I am hushed. I am told I shouldn't have spoken back at him.
Giving hope to the incarcerated while encouraging young schoolgirls to stay away from criminal activity. Under the Get Out and Stay Out program, MEC for Community Safety Sizakele Nkosi-Malobane hopes to celebrate women positively.
Get Out and Stay Out campaign is a program where we encourage inmates that once they are here, they confront their dark spot, meaning they also take responsibility of their activities. One of the things that make our people not to change is when they don't confront their dark spot, but also they don't take responsibility of their actions.
Female inmates shared their stories with the hopes of encouraging these young girls to stay away from criminal activity, some of which have already associated themselves with gangs.
I was involved in a gangsterism and drugs. That is why I kept on going out in and out of prison, because I had to support my neighbor. I am sentenced to 15 years for murder.
I'm serving a 5-year sentence for fraud, and I'm one of the fortunate people that got a death sentence for a very horrible crime.
It's better I sell potato and tabat than to come to It's very painful to log 17 hours sharing one toilet, 42 people. They'll tell you what to do, where to go.
Malobane says they're hoping to reach out to schoolboys as a form of prevention of women abuse.
We're having a men conference, and majority of the men that will be there will be young men. We are actually investing in those boys. We are also visiting all prisons. We have already started mass programs, men as safety promoters, and young boys or young men in those correctional centers have volunteered to be involved in those activities.
In celebrating Women's Month, MEC says this is a way of contributing to safe and crime-free communities. Mnisi, Soweto TV News at the Johannesburg Correctional Services Center.